Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I invite you to crochet amazing cord made of two kinds of beads. It consists of two segments. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's crochet the first segment. I will begin from the chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, then take the working loop, pull it through. Then make a chain with bead. Continue. Then make chain space 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. Make slip stitch and work on the opposite side. Then chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. Pull it. So my base for the segment is ready. Let's crochet the first row. I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn before the work. Continue. Let's crochet the first row. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. I'm going to work with half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Then insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make half double crochet. Continue. In total it should be 6 half double crochet. I'm done the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then half double crochet into the slip stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Make half double crochet. Work with the opposite side. Work into the chain space. Make 6 half double crochet with seed bead. I take seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead, and make half double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Continue. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch and pull it. And my round is ready. Here how it looks. You can use it like a brooch or earring. It depends on your project. So don't be afraid to experiment. Chain of 2. Continue, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first half double crochet. Make double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Then make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook and double crochet, not finish into the same stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook and double crochet, not finish into the same stitch. Well done. Yarn over the hook, then double crochet, not finish into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet, not finish. Here what I have at this point. I take seed beads, take seed bead, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have got 2 loops on the hook. The first half is ready. Let's crochet the second half. For another side, I remove the hook, insert it from other side, and turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I'm making the same way as I did on the opposite side. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make the first double crochet, the second into the same stitch. Continue. Make double crochet, not finish into the next stitch. Then the second double crochet into the same stitch. I am done 3 times. This is the third time. 1, and make the second one into the same stitch. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet, and single crochet knot finish. Take seed beads, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook. Turn the work. Here what I have at this point. My beautiful segment is ready. You can stop at this stage and create earring, pendant or another accessories. You can use it like a separate segment, or it could be part of big project. You can make an earring, or it could be like a brooch. I continue working, and now I show you how to crochet the second segment. For the next segment, make a chain and pull it. I will crochet in the same way as I showed you before. Then chain more, pull up the working loop, take a round bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, and I'm making my second segment in the same way as I showed you in the first time. Make a chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch, now I'm working with half double crochet with seed beads, chain of 2, take seed beads and make half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the chain space, insert the hook into the chain space and thread. This is the back side, and let's count. In total it should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the slip stitch. Insert the hook into the loop, make half double crochet and work with opposite side. I take seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the chain space, make half double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch and make a slip stitch and pull it. My second segment is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. I am done 2 segments in my cord. You can alternate these two, or you can use only one segment in your cord. You can use it like a brooch, earring, pendant, bracelet, or another accessories for yourself or your home. I remind you, for this project I am using 2 kinds of beads. Let's repeat how to crochet the first segment. Make a chain, pull it, then chain, pull up the working loop, take a bead. I started the same way as I showed you before. Then I will alternate these two as many times as I need for my cord. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done my cord, now I show you how to complete it. Here what I have at this point. It looks very delicate. And to secure the yarn by making a chain, and I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew stuff for the jewelry. It could be used like a part of Irish or guipure laces. So my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. It consists of 2 segments that I alternated each time. For this project I used 2 kinds of beads. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. See you next time. Don't miss my new video tutorials. Bye!